So hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making shawarma, keto shawarma, chicken shawarma, but it's gonna be keto this time around. So what are the ingredients we need for our keto shawarma, our keto chicken shawarma? Basically we're gonna have chicken. I'm just having some chicken that I'm gonna cut up. And then you remember my shawarma wrap that I made, the keto wrap that I made is what I'm going to use. And this is hot dog. I've just I forgot to bring it out from the freezer on time, but still it's okay because I'm still gonna put this on the grill. And then for my shawarma sauce, I'm using hot sauce, mustard, mayonnaise, parsley for that. For my chicken, I'm going to be using chicken, some paprika, this is onion powder, no, I'm not using this one, onion powder, adobo seasoning, and steak seasoning with some little salt. What will be your meal without salt? So I'm using salt. So I will start by cutting up my chicken. I'm just going to try as much as possible to cut it up in a strip. Make sure your chicken is washed before you start cutting it up. I'm going to start seasoning my chicken, and my grill is ready on the stove, my grill pan on the stove, waiting for this thing to come on. A little onion powder, paprika, salt, steak seasoning, and a little mayo into that. Somebody said I use mayonnaise too much. Yep. That's time. So the grill pan is ready. It's hot. I'm just gonna put this in. I'm using 2 should be enough. So while that is sizzling nicely, we're just gonna mix this in, and you can marinate this, maybe put it in the fridge for an hour or so, but I'm not gonna do that. Frankly speaking, I don't see the need. I'm going to just fry it. So I'm just basically gonna fry until the chicken is cooked. While that is frying, I will start assembling my fillings. My is it my fillings or filets or whatever? Alright. I'm just gonna take a portion, not too much. Whoa. So I'm just going to take a portion, not too much. Yes, girls. I'm gonna add some onions. Some jalapeno. I used to call this jalapeno, but it's jalapeno pepper. I have come to realize I like mine spicy. I'm just gonna add a little of that, or you could use the bell pepper. You could add a little carrot too if you want. Well, frankly speaking, I don't have no carrots in the house, and I don't want to go to the store just for making one shawarma. I don't want to go to the store to get carrots, so I'm going to add 2 more in case I have to make for the wheat. Not in case, I think I'm going to make for the wheat also. I will make for the plain one, and then I will make for the wheat too, so that I can just make it all at once and not come back another day for that. We are gonna grill and grill until this thing is cooked. So our chicken is ready. Just gonna take it out. And this one is ready also. I think I got the wrong one. This one. As we wait for this to cool down, we're going to start assembling our sauce. So for the 2, because I'm making both of them, I'm going to be using some mayonnaise, some hot sauce. Normally I would have used ketchup, but there's no ketchup allowed in keto. Some mustard, a little mustard. Some parsley and a little sweetener. A little sweetener because I'm not using ketchup. That is just right. I washed out my grill because I'm still going to use it, but until I get to that stage, so we are going to start with this. I'm just going to portion these things in 2. Let's see. Camera, are you on point? Okay. So I'm going to use this because if I use on this side it's too short. I'm going to use here. You start by so I just put this on a roll, add my hot dog. Normally you can cut it up if you want to, but I think it's going to be more fun like this. Put in my vegetable. You can add bell pepper if you want. You can add whatever you want. One thing about this life, the beauty of this life is it's full of choices. Okay. I use half for this and half for the other one. I should fold these 2 sides in. Easy does it. does it, easy does it. And make sure you have a very, ooh, no matter, that was wrong. Okay. So that was that. We just learned a lesson. I shouldn't have my cream up, my cream should be down. So I'm gonna put this on the grill while I assemble its other brother. I'm just gonna have this here. I think that's it, will be better. I tried it on top, it was a little messy, so let's try it underneath, beneath. Pour this in. Fold it in. Hold it in, and roll. Make sure you give it a very, very tight roll. Roll. That is done. So what I actually do is I press it down. Do that with a knife, you can do that with anything you want, but I just use my hands and I apply pressure, especially where they open and where it closes. Just press it down. You can use a spatula to do it, but press it down. This white one is getting too stubborn for my liking. So this is ready. Be careful. My shawarma pulls a punch. So this is what our shawarma